Will Shiba Inu ever reach $100 billion market cap? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price. Considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Shiba Inu? Once upon a time, there was a very special dog. That dog was a Shiba Inu, and this dog inspired millions of people around the world to invest money into tokens with the dog's image on it. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is the Dogecoin killer, and is listed on their own Shiba Swap, a DX. Shiba Inu coin was created anonymously in August 2020 under the pseudonym Ryoshi. Ryoshi says about himself that he is a nobody and not important, and that the efforts to unmask his identity, even if successful, would be underwhelming. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The Shiba Inu website invites dog-inspired artists from all over the world to foster the artistic Shiba movement, as they bring their Shiba Inu community into the NFT market. Shiba Inu has also created a campaign using Amazon Smile in order to collect donations to rescue real, live Shiba Inu dogs with the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. After initially being only one meme coin of many, Shiba Inu skyrocketed to popularity after Vitalik Buterin famously burned his share of the SHIB supply. Ryoshi had given Buterin 50% of the SHIB supply, announcing that, as long as Vitalik doesn't rug us, Shiba Inu would be fine. However, Buterin decided to burn 90% of his share, which later would have been worth billions thanks to the soaring value of SHIB. The remaining 10% were sent to a charity, as were about 50 trillion SHIB more that Vitalik had donated to a COVID-19 relief fund. He stated that he did not want to be a locus of power, and thus gave the tokens away. This resulted in a temporary loss of value for SHIB, which the token later recovered from after the community agreed on an arrangement with the charity in question. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin